Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the band combination of Landsat 8 imagery as well as what are the types of combination which are available for the Landsat 8 image. So you can see here, I have already composited the bands together. So I have used from band 1 to band 7 from Landsat 8 imagery, and this is how the image looks like. Now in order to change the band combination, right click on this and go to the option properties, and here in the symbology you can find, so it will be in the render type will be normally in multi-band color, so we don't have to change that, leave it. And here you can see the band red, green band and blue band. So this is where we are going to change the combination. So now let's open our browser. Here you can see I have opened the ESRI website where you can see the band combination for Landsat 8 is being given. So here you can see for bringing out the natural color from the satellite image, you can use this combination 432. 432 is nothing but red, green and blue. So let us use this combination 4, 3 and 2. Now let me apply it and you can see the changes. Now you can see now the image is being, we can visualize the image in the natural color. You can see the vegetations, roads, water bodies, coastal regions, likewise. So let us move on to the next combination. So you can see the false color composite where you can find the urban regions 764. Once again, right click on this image and go to the option properties, and we are going to use 7, 6 and 4. 7, 6, 4. These bands are 7 is shortwave infrared 2, and 6 is shortwave infrared 1, and finally band 4, that is a red channel. Now we just apply it and let me click OK. Now you can see these regions which is a pink color, which is in a pinkish color. You can see these are the settlement regions, so you can easily find the settlements in the imagery using this combination. You can just see that the settlements region has been highlighted in, sorry, it has been it has been shown in a pinkish color. Maybe if I am correct, it's not pink. Yeah, it's, you can see it is not pinkish, it's a bit violet color. So you can see here, this is how the settlements look like. This color you can see kind of pink and violet color. So this is one sort of combination. You can see the agriculture field is been seen in the orange color. So likewise we just move on to the next combination where you can see here for vegetation you can use this combination 5, 4, 3. 5 is near infrared, 4 is red and 3 is green. So we are going to use this combination 5, 4, 3. 5, 4 and 3. Let me apply it and give OK. Now you can see here, now the vegetation has been indicated in the light red and dark red. The dark red indicates the healthy vegetation or dense vegetation. You can see here, these are the vegetations. You can see these regions, and you can also find it in between the settlement regions where you can find the darker red and light red shade, which is indicating the vegetations. Now we just move on to the next combination. For agriculture you can see 652 combination can be used. Let us see how it looks like. 652. 6 is nothing but the shortwave infrared 1, and 5 is nothing but the near infrared, and 2 is blue. So this is the combination which we are going to use: 6, 5, 2. 6, 5, and finally band 2. Let me apply it, and let us see the agriculture regions. So I think this green color represents the agriculture region, and you can see the other fields has been left empty, no cultivation has been done. So these are current fallow lands, I think. But the fields where the vegetation, where the crops are being laid, it has been, you can see it has been in the green color. Likewise, you can see here. So these are the cultivated regions. You can see these regions are not been into cultivation. Maybe it is in current fallow. So likewise, you can do a lot of analysis using this combination. You can virtually see the how the land is being put into use and what type of features is available. Now we just move on to the next. You can see here atmospheric penetration. You can use this combination to make the image more clearer, and you can use this combination 765. So 7 is SWIR2, 6 is SWIR1, and finally 5 is near infrared. Now let me apply it, and you can just see here. So this is a different image. Maybe if we have any haze or a cloud, light cloud, there might be some the visualization can be much more clearer. So you can just put on some, you can also add some more info in the comments. So let us move to the next combination. You can see here for finding out the healthy vegetation, you can see a combination 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 2. Yeah, 5 is near infrared, 6 is SWIR1, and band 2 is nothing but our blue band. So let me apply this combination and click OK. And here you can see that healthy vegetation can be easily identified. So it has been highlighted in the dark green, healthy vegetations. You can see here. So we just move on to the next combination. You can see the land water, you can see the difference, land water difference. You can easily identify the boundary differentiating the land and water. So for that you can use 5, 6, and 4. So if you're going to make a change, only the last band 5, 6, and 4. 4 is red band. I think now we can clearly distinguish the land and water by using this combination. Still this image is 30 meters resolution, so the details might be missing in it. You can see, I think these pixels are land, and this part of the pixel might be falling under water bodies. Next combination. So you can see here natural with atmospheric removal. So you can use 753, 7, 5, and 3. Apply it. I don't see any difference over here, but natural with atmospheric removal. So maybe if there is a mild disturbance from the dust or impurities or haze, so that will be removed. That is what I think. But the clouds, you can see here, the clouds is still remain in these regions. So the clouds cannot be removed by this method. So likewise, you can use the band combination. So if you have any doubts in this, you can just ask in the comment section. So I'll be also putting this link in the comment. Uh, I'll be putting it in the description. You can just refer it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do give a like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye everyone.